Congratulations to all of you. Your hard work has paid off, and the future is now within your reach. As you celebrate this milestone, remember that the journey doesn't stop here. To the parents, we know that you want what is best for your children. That's why we're excited to offer you UC Banilan's Swift Enrollment Program, allowing your child to enroll now even with just third quarter grades. It's fast, easy, and the perfect way to continue their path to success. UC Banilan is a very wise investment to all of us in their future. With quality education, strong linkages, top-tier programs, and real-world opportunities. So, we want the parents to choose University of Cebu Banilan as your partner in providing quality education to your incoming college students. So we're offering the following programs. We offer Bachelor of Science in Nursing, Bachelor of Science in Medical Technology, Bachelor of Science in Psychology, Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, Bachelor of Science in Criminology. The Dean is here. I would like to introduce the Dean, Ms. Nibel Bourbon-Pableo. Please rise, Ms. Nibel, if you wish to enroll in Criminology. Then we also have Bachelor of Science in Management Accounting, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. Our Dean is here, Dr. Christopher C. Bion. Please rise, sir, to be recognized. So those who are interested to join your college, they will be looking for you. We also have Bachelor of Science in ECE and Bachelor of Science, the newly opened program, Bachelor of Science in Industrial Engineering. We also have Bachelor of Science in Information Technology, Information Systems, we also have Animation. And the Dean is here, OIC Dean, Mr. Eric C. Ortega. We also offer BS Hospitality Management and BS Tourism Management. I'll acknowledge Dr. Rene V. Osorno and the chairperson of BS Tourism Management, Dr. Evelyn Lopez Derecho.